I chose the E-Classic because of the reputation in the area. We have a really very reputable dealer in the area, and there's a lot of people around here that have used Central for quite a long time. I looked at some of the brands that were out online, and I just felt the most comfortable with going with the Central, and the E-Classic seemed to be the way to go. I am currently heating 9,500 square feet. One building is my shop that I run my business out of, which is 4,000 square feet of heated space, all in-floor tubing. The rest is our house, which is a combination of in-floor heat and forced air heat. It's a hybrid system and it works perfectly. By using an E-Classic versus gas based on past experiences, my estimations were between $800 and $1,000 a month saved on gas. So essentially over that amount of time, it's more than paid for itself.
Hi, I'm Bob from Casco. I own an E-Classic. I used to have another boiler in here for about 12 years before I switched to this, and I was filling it up morning and night, probably going through 2 to 3 times as much wood. Right now, I'm at once a day. I have a 3,000 square foot home, and I have a 20 by 48 foot shop area that I heat right now, and I don't have a problem keeping up. I would tell them definitely go with this furnace. You know, it's just exceptional. The wood you save is going to pay for itself. You know, people think, well, you always got to buy your wood or make your own wood, but even if you're buying it, you're cheaper than the fuel that you'd have to go for gas, propane.
What I like about my E-Classic is it's easy to use, provides all the heat that I need, and it's inexpensive. My overall savings, you know, I had been using, last year I used 1,700 gallons of propane at approximately $1.25 a gallon. This year I'm going to use probably not even 100 gallons of propane at $1.74 a gallon. So the only thing I need to use propane for now is simply to we have a gas stove in the house. This unit heats my water, it provides my heat. Really, propane's a thing of the past.
You save a lot on wood, and it's cleaner. You don't have the smell. You know, even outside here, that's the one big thing we've noticed since we put this one in. You don't have that smoke smell outside here that we used to have. My wife specifically mentioned that she says, gee, we don't get that wood burning smell anymore. So, you know, that makes a difference, but the big thing I look at is the amount of wood that you save.
We chose an E-Classic because it burns a lot cleaner. You see a lot of the furnaces when it's like 30 degrees and you can hardly see in the yard. With E-Classic, it seems to burn clean. You don't see smoke coming out of the pipe hardly.
Hi, I'm Bill. I'm from Bailey's Harbor, Wisconsin, and I heat my house and my barn with a wonderful E-Classic. I started out with a classic furnace for about 2 years, and what was coming at that point was a lot of wood, a lot of wood use, and at the same time, a lot of maintenance. And when the opportunity came to move up to the E-Classic for efficiency, it was the best move I made. The number of loads of wood that I put in dramatically dropped. My heat output immediately went up. My efficiency, it was like night and day. I would not change it for anything.
Hello, my name is Mike Hager. I live in Kewaunee, Wisconsin. Living quarters is about 3,100 square feet. If you include a furnished basement, it's about 5,600. We basically went from heating with propane, which was restricted. We kept the house at 60 degrees. We put the boiler in, and all of a sudden, basically, it was to the point we had the house at between 70 and 73 degrees. It was unbelievable to change. So, been very happy with the unit. So far this year, I had it started probably in October. And if you look behind me, metal can, I've had 1 can of ash so far. That's it. I also have the heat exchanger for the hot water heater. That was one of the things I was looking forward to putting this unit back in service, because you never run out. That just maintains it and keeps it up, and we always have hot water.
The reason I would recommend it is the reduced usage of your wood and the cleanliness of them. They burn extremely clean. I've been told many times by people in the area, they aren't even aware that I have a wood stove outside. They do not see the exhaust from the stove. When it ramps up in the high burn, it is as clean as it gets.
A central boiler is the unit to go ahead and deal with because of dependability, because of the warranty, and because of the quality of the engineering.
I would definitely recommend it as a heat source. I mean, it's efficient, inexpensive way to heat your house.